Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And every celebration deserves a gift that is not just beautiful but also meaningful and unforgettable. Whether it's a wedding, housewarming, anniversary, festival, or a special moment with loved one, a thoughtful gift always create memories. Today I am unboxing something truly special, the biggest silver collection from Chandi by JMC, where elegance meet traditions. Let's see what makes these silver gifting options perfect for every occasion. And today video is going to be exciting because I have a beautiful silver collection to share with you all. Silver has always been considered a symbol of purity, blessings, and timeless beauty. And when it comes to gifting, silver gift feel much more personal and valuable because they become a memories that stays for year. Look at this beautiful packaging. The presentation itself feels so premium and perfect for gifting. Let's open it together. Wow, the detailing is so elegant. The craftsmanship, shine, finish instantly catch your attentions. And what I really love about this collection is that it has options for different occasions, from elegant silver jewelry pieces to unique gifting ideas that feel traditions yet modern. The design look classy, wearable, and also makes a beautiful gift choice for someone special. If you are confused about what gift, here are some beautiful ideas. Wedding gift ideas: silver jewelry or elegant silver pieces can be a memorable gift for the bride, family members, or couple. Housewarming gifting ideas: silver gifts are considered auspicious and can add a special touch to a new home celebrations, festivals, and special occasion gifting. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or a festival, a silver gift always feels premium and thoughtful. What makes silver gifting special is that it's not just a product, it carry memories, blessings, and emotions. After checking this collection, my favorite thing are elegant design, premium look, and feel. perfect for gifting, traditional touch with modern style, something that can be cherished for a long time. I feel if you are looking for a gift that feels luxurious but also meaningful, this collection is definitely worth exploring. So, if you are searching for a perfect gift for a wedding, housewarming, festival, or special occasions and celebration, do check out Chandi by JMC Silver Collection. Let me know in the comment which pieces you like the most. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.